Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something a lot of people struggle with: job application assessments. Whether you're applying for a technical role or any position that requires skill-based evaluations, assessments can make or break your chances. But don't worry, I'm here to help you prepare and nail them. Step 1. Understand the format. Before you start, it's crucial to understand what kind of assessment you'll be facing. Is it a coding challenge, an aptitude test, or maybe a personality quiz? Each one requires a different approach, so make sure you read the instructions carefully and know what to expect. Step 2. Practice in advance. If you know the type of test you'll be taking, practice as much as you can beforehand. For coding assessments, platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or CodeWars are fantastic for building your skills. For aptitude tests, there are plenty of free resources online that can help you improve your logical thinking and problem-solving skills. Step 3. Time management is key. Most assessments are timed, so you'll need to manage your time efficiently. Don't get stuck on one problem for too long, move on if you're stuck, and come back to it if you have time at the end. Practicing under timed conditions will help you get a feel for how to pace yourself. Step 4. Focus on quality, not quantity. Especially for technical assessments, focus on writing clean, efficient code. Sometimes, solving fewer problems but solving them well can score you more points than rushing through and making mistakes. Employers are looking for clarity and logical thinking as much as they are for correct answers. Step 5. Don't be afraid to ask questions. If the assessment allows it, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. Communicating well and asking the right questions shows initiative and that you want to get it right, rather than just guessing. Step 6. Simulate the test environment. Before the real assessment, simulate the test environment at home. Set a timer, sit down in a quiet space, and practice as if you were taking the real assessment. This helps reduce nerves and makes you feel more comfortable when the actual test comes around. Step 7. Review after completing. If you finish early, don't just hit submit. Go back and review your answers. Make sure you didn't overlook any simple mistakes, or if it's a coding challenge, double-check for any errors or areas to optimize your solution. Final thoughts. Job application assessments can be nerve-wracking, but preparation is everything. Practice, time management, and attention to detail are your best friends in acing these tests. Good luck, and remember, you've got what it takes.